bro.
With all of us in the box, I'm making this type of noise.
Look on top of the building, bro. I look on the building, 6 blood clot time you to go up there, bro. I'm telling you know why I go up there. Our white man comes out of the side.
I don't know what you say.
I
I
don't
think
know,
the
bro.
man said, we could have guessed my virgin to deal with.
Why the white one comes at me and say, are you okay? I say, yes. He said, because, you know why I ask you? Because I see you buy 6-pack of these liquors and I don't know why you're drinking them. And I said,
Sometimes people not ever understand what people are going through and feel like I don't.
and she said,
Well, guess what? A person in a
No,
relationship.
but that's the thing. He still have strong love for her. Why you
But
think he wants to have himself, even though he have
It's not
to
happy because
Well,
I'm
I
here.
don't-
have song love and kill yourself. And I
The white
said
lady
to you,
the white lady said to me, say, why are you looking up on top of the building? She said to me, say, don't do it. I said, what are you talking about? She said, I see you. Don't do it. I said, what are you talking about? And she said, do not do it. And she said to me, she said, what happened to you? I mean, you know, it's like a God send him come. He just come talk to me, youth. And when she done talk to me, bro, I said, come and change my mind, brother. I'm sit down and I start, she talk to me. And one of the time she said, Shay, you want to come in my room and sit down and talk to me and lay down in my bed? So I said to her, I said, I don't feel like to do that. And she said, okay, I'm going to stay with you. And the white man follow me, go straight to my blood clot's room. I know when I go to the office and tell them, say, to lock my door. Put on freeze lock and then put on freeze lock for my door, brother. It's the day when Tasha tell me, say, if you find my way, brother, it's my heart collapse. I wonder the woman them we are clean the hotel room. Me I wonder how you man coming to the house after me realize say boy me knock out. Me heart good on me heart shook me heart lock. So me good on from the ground. And by about me don't know how if I go 10 minutes or so. Me only wake up and see the woman and one man over me. They must say call the ambulance. And I say no, I'm okay, I'm fine. And he say sure. And he say I'm say me fine. Me say yeah, me fine. And it's a Pastor Shay tell me that never call her blood clot phone back again. Me just try to survive and try to work for my own. People want to understand no people. You see, me build this empire for my family. Me build it. I see if a man build a family who has a good empire, we are survive. I'm realizing boy, I lose the empire the brother. Fucking blood clot hurt you.
I know my youth. I know man, just hold it, man.
That's what I'm saying. So we could talk all we want. He knows what he's feeling and he knows what he don't want to lose.
Exactly.
So he can be talking now just because we are here. Say him don't want her back and him don't, but deep down he wants her back. So we cannot talk bad about her and then later on the two of them are friends.
You're not listen to King, you know. You listen to King, my friend.
Give me a second, man. Give me a second, man.
I know why I go back moment, I go fight and fight until me fully overcome everything. Now go back because
Yes,
you know why I go back.
Yeah, because that's
me know I've been in your shoes.
It's a me, she said a long time she want left me. And yo, at the time when me, she said, bro, when she go make a next somebody have sex with her and come back and maybe do certain things with her and I left, she want left me, you know. And me I say, yo, I make your baby father bring panty and clothes come and go cheat with the clothes and me bring come give me bike, yo. And then I tell me, left, you don't want left. Oh, bro, that
disrespect that, man.
You hear me as a king?
Disrespect.
Because everybody attack and me not hear nobody tell the man to do the right thing. Well, now if you understand, say, yo, when we get from the Shay mentally check out of the relationship long time. She just went there because she never have the option to do what she want to do. Now she see the light and she signed.
Maybe it's
But
because of the kids
hold on. But what me want you me I tell you right now, King, you have to look for the brighter picture. As what them must say, focus on yourself. You have to go find a therapy and talk to them instead of come on the internet because the internet will break you, my G. You go here from all kind of angle. So guess what? You have to go check out for the internet for a minute. Look for a major hype situation. Look what he go through. And a therapy help him to do certain things. And that the role they have to go. That the road they have to go. Try to try right now. Just breeze the internet. Talk to people. Try to get some therapy. Some therapy session and help yourself. Because guess what? You have to understand. Say, yeah, you love her. And she bring us certain to the limelight and make you be here. So that's why you feel that way right now. you feel like you can't do without her, but trust me, you can. You just have to find the right
Do it ready
person
for them,
and
man.
talk to, and
Yo,
then get
King,
over that.
King,
Yeah,
yo,
man,
me
him
I
just
say,
need the right person
King,
for
you
channel.
walk one.
Yo,
You go so boom. And you have the internet. Use a man will start out on the internet and you surely, you say internet is your food basket.
yeah, bro.
Listen what me I say to you, man. Because me I talk here as a man where been there and done that. And I live my life comfortable right now.
Yeah.
Use work. Me use work to break up earth.
That me the bro. That me the
Same
bro.
thing
I
with
run
us.
Listen what me I say to you,
Same
bro.
thing with us.
You go so boom, and I go through where you go through. You see, then say devil find work for idle hands. You see,
Yep.
use your brain and you see them, you skip them and your whatsoever your platform where you use to rejuvenate yourself and to make money.
Work
Invest
harder.
your time and your energy in that.
Yep.
When you go
Work
through
harder,
all
my
of
boy.
this, use
Yeah,
them,
man.
them experience as
If you can push
inspiration.
out,
And
if you
If
can
you
push
use,
out 50%, push out
if you use,
100%
yeah,
now.
if you use
occupy your
work
Just
8
time.
push
hours,
out.
work 16 hours now.
Occupy
Yeah,
your
Yeah,
man.
man.
time. And
You have the fans, them with the right,
best,
so we stand with
the
you.
best person who are gonna make you stronger. The only
Are
person where
you,
you can depend on to make you stronger is you.
yeah.
You can't depend on nobody. And you alone,
Nobody
man.
right now but yourself.
So listen what me I say to you. Put in some work. Yappa, this we are talking about is very good because at the end of the day, I get some encouragement for yourself. What me
And
can tell
yeah,
you,
and
best person to
Garfield, guess
encourage
what? I said
yourself is
this.
you.
Yeah,
I'm
I
gonna
said
tell you
this
to
way.
push out some energy and some time and go do some work, go do some skit.
Yeah, man.
Have years me I watch you from your day at Jamaica and start a
A
sitting.
long time I see you drop some YouTube video and anything.
No,
Then
man,
you
I
Yes,
just pull it
have
for
some,
video,
have
man.
some, some video.
No, bro,
Where-
no, me just pull it for video, bro. Me just over 90 video.
Listen,
Me
and
alone
that's
on
what you do.
the channel right now, bro.
Do something where fun, where make
We
people
need to
laugh,
run in on it,
and
man.
make people watch you. Don't make people come, you know, come yourself and come to no laughing stock and no talking stock.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
And that's on the internet for.
That's why I hear me say, yo, bad bro, break free from that where I made spun my G, and just focus on you and your youth right now and try
This
for
a
us
situation
as
where
the
you
year
have been through
Garfield
that,
said,
and you alone
push
have gone
out.
through this. Some situation is just
Only
that
for people are gonna treat, man.
Some people are go through certain things worse than you and them just not talk. Who know?
Yeah, man.
And
one-
internet baby, so no
one
jump on
thing
the
we can
internet
say-
and not show people no life. So it are gonna
Yeah,
them
one thing I
internet
can
and
say to
people
yourself,
talk.
King, remember, you know, you is a public figure too, so you see, anything where them can, them will see and want to do, people will see it and try to tear it down because of certain things where they will see a push out. So right now, as a year Garfield said,
Work.
and even
Work
Devon
of
just
tech
put
fee.
in the work, my friend. You hear me? I tell you, I chop my drive every day now, my friend.
Chuck, me a drive right now. Right now, drive, me a drive.
Bro, you know what's a bro? You know what's a bro? Big man thing, bro. You know what's a everybody pan internet? Not everybody, me not say everybody. You know what's a majority a woman, bro. What me see? I say, yes, girl, good thing you do, girl. I mean, I say, bro, and I me left Shay road, and Shay left me road. So how comes I get him blame?
Them not tell them I'm
That's why
running
I
on the
tell you,
live
say,
and I'm running
you
on
would
it.
not
We
watch
just
it.
have
Just
to
praise
jump
the
off.
internet, because the internet, we break the cheek, and you see kind of negative things. You see all kind of things if you break your bro. You don't need that, man. Just try to find some therapy session and talk to him. Just breathe the internet, man.
That's it. It's a cycle. When a man leave a woman, the woman is the one who broken and want mad out. When a woman leave a man, the man is the one who broken and want to mad out. It's going on from ancient days. But what I'm saying to you, King, you need your strength, you need your health to press on for you and your kids
Oh,
if
watch
them
it
you
now,
have
brother.
focus
Watch it now,
on.
brother. I'm going to show you something now, brother. You know what me feel as a man right now. Because watch it, me I do TikTok, me have 2 jobs. And me I do YouTube one time right now. Small thing, brother, I never see do it anytime around say. No, me I do one by myself, me I do it, bro. You know me feel right now, brother, pick up a woman, brother. Because right now, me not pick up no single man, you know. If a woman have 2 or 3 people, me don't want him, you know, father.
But right now, that's supposed to motivate you.
You don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about that.
What I tell you something, father.
Don't worry about that.
No, I saw me, I tell you. I watch my father, you know me, I go feel, you know, what's the boy, John. me get a woman right now, I want 250. All the money them me I make.
Yes,
Every
sir.
meat I buy in a fridge. Every meat I buy, every dollar I make, I should have my them around that. I should have around on
King,
different family.
King, no worry about that. You
Let the man
can't think
speak.
about
Let
that.
the
Listen
man
what me
speak.
say,
No,
man. Don't worry about that.
you have to make the man talk, you know, brother.
But don't
Give him a
worry
chance
about
to
but
talk.
listen, me still
You
have
me
a
I
matter.
say,
You think you
Give him
can't
a
know what
chance to
life of the
talk.
half. You don't know what life of the half. If we didn't know what life of the half, what are we good? See,
then
you
bro.
have to tell yourself, say, all right, that's I'm a live your life and push out. Because at the end, when me young enough, for a young little youth, you know, my granny always tell me, say, listen, you better a woman love you more than you love she, you know. See?
True, man.
Because when a woman love you more, when you go to boom as a good man, at the end of the day, you have a go to boom and know, say, boy, you are the woman, a woman keep relationship, you know. A woman keep
Yeah.
relationship, because some things a
You
man do
think
woman. If woman after
Yo,
them not stay.
me I
I
tell you,
think the biggest thing is
well,
King just
I,
feel
Can I say
betrayed.
this?
well, I know,
Can I
well, I
say
know.
this?
I tell you, well, I tell you first thing I'm going to say, woman wicked. All right, but me just know me be mother and bro. Then me be mother project bro. Like me live in Westmoreland and she moved to me go our country place. We up in a Darlistan, see it? And in there talk to one guy up the bro. No, me not this is because there's something I tell you now, a story I tell you. See it? And the guy pass the yard every day, because the guy pass senior to go off in the yard. None of them talk to one another. Bro, so me just go to book now and call my friend and say, yo, me go pass Shay yard. You know them way there, bro. And yo, see the man when me say when never talk to, when say because he do a thing with the youth, so the youth not deal with that anymore. You know what I mean? He don't deal with the youth friends, so you not deal with them anymore. So one so me go up about half a blood clot 11. You see, same youth, me say Shay not deal with. I say the man me go teach up in one corner talk. Next time me bumbo clad.
I didn't think
The one dangerous, them here, my friend.
Yo,
I wish man Sasha born King.
the reason why,
Oh my god.
the reason why enough people still I say like,
June.
you get this sitting around King. Yes, when you come and then I understand, bro. I get what you get. Your point. Yes, when it just happened to you when Sasha say, you know, if you come back or whatever, now I get to know. But you know you're hurt. And you never have nobody to talk to. And there's a social media person.
Bro,
So that
a social media be never famous, brother. Me mad, brother.
Yeah.
Brother, watch out,
You get
watch out,
that.
brother. Remember my status, no, brother. Remember my status.
Understand.
Either mother there at Jamaica right now, or mother mad out. Remember, say, brother. If you never have no fame, brother, mother turn madman from the street right now, coming on nobody talk with them. My phone have no internet.
Enough people understand this in America. Yes, in America, some people have nobody to talk to. You know, nobody to
And
vent.
I know just America rich, England too, because
Right,
me
yo.
here England, right?
Because you got now a new country where you don't have any family really. You don't have that
No
support.
friends,
You
nobody.
get that, you know, no friend.
Brother, me run
Get
street,
that
brother.
thing. And don't get me wrong. Thing, let me show you this. I always where I come from, I mean, I watch a long time.
Me, I Westmoreland man, too, bro.
Me, I watch it from before your channel, your first channel, they get deleted. The one with pepper and firecracker and everything. That for sure, long me I watch video with them, brother. You see me? A long time I watch video. Sure. And you see, it Tony used to do the thing when I'm going to do this. And used to rate that. I was when I'm coming from, saying, you know, you're in that place already. You see me? But I understand when you have vent, you have to find some way to vent and talk to somebody.
And when you have been
I'm man, you know, I'm man who things, you know, I understand say you man who things,
Rich.
who things, you know, are tear up in. I would say that somebody, you know,
Richard, when him a vent rich, it no make no sense when him a tell we say him feel this and him feel that and him a think about this. It no make no sense we tell him say, oh no think about that, no think about that.
No,
It
other than that
dep on
people
him head,
are
listen you know. It dep on him head, so it better him let it off. So what we have to do or we have to do is be like minimize the film, like break it down film for say. So if you do find a woman, for example, and rate it, because remember say a whole heap of happening in our head right now, we know whole heap of ribble in our head. You understand? So when him a talk and him a express, like, me no want a woman with pitney that day in our head, so you better we like talk.
No. Me not say me no want no man with me say.
You want a woman with pitney, sorry, I stand corrected,
No,
sorry.
me I say, if woman me I take up every I want to want chip it, me no want him. Want a woman with pitney. What is it that now that I got me feel like me is a father around the woman around her. You know them way
I'm
that.
gonna ask her.
Yeah,
What
man.
you say is, when you say it, somebody on the life say, oh, not worry about that, not think about that. But me I try to tell them, say, somewhere in your mind, So it better if when you talk about it better we help you adjust, like address it and just you understand.
Man.
So
Woman
everything when
understand,
my
man.
pardon?
You see, we are type of people who put things on our head. We don't really talk about things
Give
like
the
that.
people them who
Especially
never get a
certain
chance
when
to
they talk
talk.
about things, bro.
I know, but you feel say this is how the world unbalanced because we feel like say man fi be this tough thing.
Yeah,
And man fi
it's
come through
unfair.
and
It's
tough.
not
Yeah,
fair
but
all
it
the
And
must
time.
man
can
a
give the people
feelings
them who
too.
never get
Yeah,
a
because we
chance to
feel things
talk.
too. Although we
Yeah,
feel
Alright,
man
things,
have
which man?
we are
feelings too.
thugs now, go
Alright,
and
brother,
tough and road and sitting in
which
there.
man
What are
anyone
we
live with a
feelings too,
woman?
bro?
Is in half in a 1 year, a 6 time and a half sex. Bro, that's not a relationship, bro.
Yo, King, but one more ask you. With the whole situation we are going, what really hurt them
Oh
most?
my
They not really there in
God.
the family. And that,
Alright, I'm show you something now, bro. You see, my family, bro, I want something more,
yeah.
I want something where, especially when it comes to my daughter, them, bro, it kind of hurt me to know say, when I around my daughter, I see my daughter, I grow up, and I see why problem with her, because what I know, my bro, G,
Mm-hmm.
so, bro, me feel like I'm here the thing with my family, bro, with my daughter, brother. It's like say if in a run with two girls with them, bro. But I just feel like something gonna go wrong, bro.
Your
And by
father, feel
and the
protective.
fur from my daughter, them, bro, it me just feel like boy, things that go good on me now, I have to protect them, bro.
Alright. In some situations, you can't go change certain things. But what you can do, you can try to help in a way so you know you can help and try to be here in a way where you can help. Don't worry about things and you cannot do now. Like if you put them to sleep in your mind, you can't change the situation. You go mad because you can't
But
do it
Richie
now.
can go hard fi no put it on him mind. So what you have to go
And that's
do,
how me
I
I
tell
say.
him how fi no put it
That's
on him
And
mind.
you can't tell him no.
that's
Nobody
why we
can tell
said
him.
that's why we said
Work.
push out. You hear me and Garfield say push out now
And
work.
go work.
Yes.
Yes,
You
yes.
can't
But you
Bro,
see,
bro, you can't focus on
as
things
well,
you can't
King,
change.
me got
You
you
see,
and break up to
you go
King.
focus things that we can't change. You go
Me
mad.
got you and break up to King
Wanna
and me
give
turn to
somebody else a
alcohol.
chance to talk who
Me
never
Hold
turn
on,
to
talk.
hold on.
alcohol King. Let me say this and then me I go
Lady
go. Let me
Douglas
say
I
this.
want to say
Lauren,
something.
I want to talk. So I want to hear
Alright.
Lauren I say.
Alright, okay.
Hello, good night. Good night,
Good
King.
night.
good night, how are you,
Good night,
man?
Miss Ross.
I'm alright, I'm alright. I spoke with both you and Shay before, calling from New York.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. I know the situation is very, very sensitive, and I know that it's hurt, and I know that sometimes you have to talk about it, and sometimes, you might not feel like to talk about it. If you can talk about it and you get an ease of the pressure, mentally, physically, emotionally, it's good for you. But
Yes.
sometimes if you don't feel like to talk, you get something to do, like what I saw. You went to the pool the other day, gone, and you engage in something constructive.
Right.
Because if you sit down every day and think about this, you're gonna do something negative at all times. As what you mentioned about going up on the roof, and that really pains my heart. You
Yes.
understand me? Because you only have one life, and if I know for sure you love your kids them, and when the first thing that you have to do, whatever you're doing, that you might feel like you're gonna hurt yourself, remember your kids them that you love dearly.
Yeah.
Whatever is going on, it's not going on forever. There are times gonna come when your kids them gonna want to come to you, and nobody
Yes.
cannot stop them. You understand me? So all you got to do, you have to take care of yourself mentally, physically, and every way another
Yes.
father. You
Yes.
understand me? So the next thing that you have to do, if you want to find a way to talk to your big daughter or talk to any one of your kids, them fine. You don't have to say, well, talk to Shay. You understand that to irritate anything. You need time to heal now. This is a healing process that you have to go through. And if you don't heal, it's gonna affect you very, very bad. You understand me?
Yes.
Just try to engage in things that will make you happy. Some of the people them on the live here that is talking, I listen to every one of them what they're saying, and when I put one and one together, it makes sense. But some of them it really does make sense. You're not gonna have your mind on the relationship like that.
Yeah.
Relationship is
Yeah.
like a butter. You have the butter in the spoon or put some butter in your hand. As soon as it get warm, it melt away.
Yes.
Yeah, and you have to get another set of butter to do whatever you want to do. You understand me? So you cannot think about the relationship now. You got to focus on yourself and your kids them. Whatever is the relationship to come back, God alone has to bring it back. And whatever God is not in, it cannot work out. And if God never, if God, just a minute, if God wasn't in this from the beginning, yeah, and I know God put the two of you together, it will fade away.
100%.
And one hand cannot clap.
Yes.
And I know when once somebody is working, even though it doesn't matter if you started working from the beginning, growing up in the relationship and your family keep on expanding, more pressure, more work, more food, more everything, more expense. So I understand all of that, what you're saying, when the pressure reaches you. When the pressure reaches you, sometimes you want is this way that you react by cursing and whatever. This is not the way you really want to react. But because you don't know how to explain yourself, in sometimes you just burst out like that. Because when the cup is full, the cup is full.
Run over.
There's no filter. There's no filter when a cup is full. So sometimes when you might get upset and you curse or you swear or whatever, this is not you inside.
Yes.
This is
And
something that you have. You just have to use it to able to suit whatever situation or get across to your baby mother.
And Miss
You
Lorna,
understand?
Miss
Yeah.
Lorna, address
Yeah.
the drinking as well. He need this kind of cut down on the
Yeah,
drinking.
if you cut down on the drinking.
The drinking